Today, we are pleased to host Dr. Helen Barrie, a specialist in human geography from the University of South Australia. So far, we have collaborated with Helen on scientific level on the topic of geoinformation solutions for citizen participation in the domain of city management.
My name is Dr. Helen Barrie. I'm from the University of South Australia. I am a human geographer by background and also a social gerontologist. My passion is age-friendly cities and how we can create good urban environments for people to age well and live at home as long as possible. And I think the best way we can do that is using a citizen science approach where older people are the experts in their own life and are involved in our research from the beginning. I've used citizen science in several projects dating back to 2016, where we use older people to use an audit tool to tell us about their communities, whether that be the parks and public spaces they use, whether it's about their use of transport, or whether it's about their social activities, so that we can better understand in depth in both quantitative and qualitative data around how people use their neighbourhoods, what they like about their neighbourhoods and what they want to change about their neighbourhoods. And I think that citizen science offers us a chance not just to collect a large data sets, but also to be able to influence policy, create change for planning, and to be able to give people a better understanding and critical overview of their own neighbourhoods and their own services that they're able to use.
Sharing experiences in citizen science using geoinformation tools is key for our team. This has become an increasingly popular element in our research projects in recent years and opens us an opportunity to involve society in science.